4 straight days, the bulls decided to take a breather here on Dalal Street. After 6.5 hours of trade, the Nifty today ended pretty much where it began. The index remains within striking distance of the 7,500 mark. Tuesday turned out to be a choppy day of trade. The Sensex on its part paid most of the losses in the last 60 minutes, and then it ended up marginally in the red. The culprits today were once again banks. PSU banks bore the brunt of a sell-off. Remember, banks saw a monster rally last week, with that index marking the best week in 10 years. On the other hand, metal stocks rallied in trade. That's after China promised more measures to revive the ailing industry. Here's Anuj Singhal, as always, joining us to wrap up today's trading action. Anuj, what we saw this Tuesday was actually consolidation.
Well, after last week's monster rally, we had some consolidation today. So the market pulled back a bit. Up until 2:30, the Nifty was trading at almost the low point of the day. But in last hour, it actually reclaimed all the lost ground and ended flat. So it was quite a unique day in today's trade. In terms of stocks that led the market higher today or led the market recovery, you had Reliance, ITC and HDFC contributing quite a bit on the way up. Commodity stocks rallied, so KN, Hindalco, Vedanta, all these stocks were higher. Banks, on the other hand, dragged today. The Bank Nifty was lower, so ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak, SBI, all these stocks were on the lower side in today's trade. Some other prominent Nifty losers included stocks like Maruti, which has been a weak stock now, HCL Tech, and even Dr. Reddy's was down. Sugar had a big rally today. In fact, Sugar has been having rally for some time, led by big stocks like Balrampur. Even other stocks like Dwarikesh and Dalmia Bharat Sugar also rallied. And some more mid-cap gainers in trade today included stocks like Unitech, Pipavav, and Prism Cement. The notable loser was just Dial today. So all in all, a decent day. So the trend of the market is intact because today you outperformed the global markets. Global markets were down, but India managed to see a bit of a buy on dip trade.
Thanks, Anuj, for joining us with that. So that's what Dalal Street looked like this Tuesday. Now let's talk about